Hey, what's up guys? So this video I am to show you a Blooket hack for free tokens. Please follow this video step by step. I open a new tab and I search www.go-token-pro. I press enter. As you can see, this is token booster tokens. Now you need how much token do you want? I want 10,000 token. This is reset activity. I press claim now. And account information. You need your username. My username is the box one, and now I have 10 tokens. I enter my username and select my device, Android, iOS or computer. Now I use my computer and I press continue. It's loading. Just wait to loading this page. As you can see, the box one is connected. I find my account, generating my token. It's almost done. Manual human verification. Human verification. To prevent robot abuse of genitor, you are requested to complete human verification. Verify now, don't scary. And human verification request, verify survey. Now just complete one of this survey to receive this reward. You can select view more for more survey. Just complete one of this survey. I select this survey and now follow the instructions. Send the SIMC to this now. Now I put the video in pause because I can send the SIMC at recorded at the same time, but I will be back in 2 minutes. Good guys, I send the SIMC now. Now I want to check this. It's finished. Now you can close all tabs, and as you can see, I received this notification. Congratulations, you won 10,000 tokens. I press claim, and now I want to prove this method. I buy a package. As you can see, I have 10,000 tokens and 10 tokens. I buy one of this package and I select a random. I buy this package, yes, and as you can see guys, it's work, it's legit.